Look at it. From the look of things, it's obvious it's not going to have that issue. Now this is kind of a shiny, but I don't think it's a shiny fallout kind of thing. Yeah, the shape will come out better when there's something in it. So this is
It's Strong Case, the jam maker.
Hello YouTube, hope I'm meeting all of you in the best of health. Alright, today as you can see from the topic, it's unboxing 2 new bags. Yeah. Alright, I'm a bag lover. Like, I've loved bags like since way I can't even remember. I'm a bag lover. I love bags. Like, even in my house, everyone knows that I was one that loved bags. Yes. So this is it now. I met this shop online. It's an Instagram shop. The name of the shop is Just Bags _ Just. I'll link it in the description box. Yeah. Now I saw this. They have a lot of beautiful bags, but then this were the sets that caught my fancy. Like, they are the same design, quite okay, but different colors, a black and a brown. But that was what I wanted, like a black bag and a brown bag, and I ordered for the 2. Even though they later called me and were like the brown was out of stock, but they could replace it with a gray, and I was like, I don't mind. All right, so I now asked them how long it was going to take for them to bring it down to Port Harcourt, because as you can see from the name Jos, and Jos is Plateau State, north central part of Nigeria, and I live at this in the south part of Nigeria. I live in Port Harcourt, to be specific. So I told them I live down Port Harcourt. How are they going to send it down to me? So they were like, okay, no problem. They were going to use logistics, but then due to the situation, on a normal, they could have been able to send it to me in the next 2 days as soon as I make payments. But then it could take close to 4 or 5 days, and I was like, it's fine, still not bad. Yeah. So they sent these bags for me. It took almost close to 4 days, which is still not bad considering the current situation they were in. And there are 2 of them. I've not even opened them. My husband was one that helped me, collected it at the delivery office. I've not even opened them. I was like, let me open it in front of the camera with you guys. Like, I am super excited. So this is how it came. Like, this is how they packaged it for me. Here is my name and the phone number, and then my location, of course, because that's how they're going to contact me. Meanwhile, I even asked them of the size, because you know, in pictures you cannot really conclude the size of the bag. So she told me it was a bag that I could actually put my laptop in it, standing straight, but wouldn't zip. She understands. So when I was like, okay, if my laptop could actually get into the bag, and it's not that small, because I don't really like small bags, because I'm this kind of person that take a lot of things around with me, you know, women and our hair. So now I am actually going to open it here in front of you guys. Try go check them out on Instagram, but let me open it first. So it took about 4 days. Wow. And then it got to me. I was super excited when they called me. They're like, your bags are here. And I, wow. Oh, yeah. Can you see? Alright. Let's go on. It's inside another transparent bag. Oh my god. They are just, in fact, I don't know. It's like, it's even looking better than what I saw online. I don't know. Like, for me, it's fine. Wow. This is one of it. Wow, awesome. Like, this is the perfect size. I love bags of this size. Not too big, not too small. Now this is the gray one. It was supposed to be brown, but she said they had sold that. They had run out of stock of the brown. They could replace it for me with gray, and I was like, not bad. Wow, look at it. And then the leather. This is obviously, the leather is genuine, like it's real, because in the past I've bought bags that after a while it begins to peel, especially heat. During heat it begins to peel off. But she assured me that this wasn't going to have that issue, and from the look of things, look at it. From the look of things, it's obvious it's not going to have that issue. Now this is kind of a shiny, but I don't think it's a shiny fallout kind of thing. Yeah. The shape will come out better when there's something in it. So this is the gray, and then this is the black then, because I ordered for 2 of them, and they are very affordable. Please go check them out on Instagram. I actually bought it. It wasn't given to me for free. Yeah. So this is the black one. Can you see it? Wow. See. In fact, you know, black is a color that is a neutral color that goes with everything. So it's a bag that you could rock it with whatever attire. You could rock it with your native, you could rock it with your corporate wear, you could rock it with your casual wear. You can see now, you know, some bags, it does not suit every dressing, but this one does. Like, this one literally does. Let me see what's inside. Okay, it has another handle inside. Yeah, it has a longer hand. Okay, so I could have choices, or is there a space I could but there's a hand here, and I don't seem to see any where I could fix it. Okay, I could actually, okay, this is detachable. I could actually detach this one. Yeah, this is a detachable hand. Then if I want it longer, okay, wow, choices. Wow, this is awesome. I love it. When you have choice, you could actually detach this, then replace it with a longer hand if you wish to. Yeah, I love it. Which means, oh my god, this is it. Like, I'm in love with this bag. So I unboxed 2 of my new bags. Ooh. You see that? Yeah. All right, thank you so much. Don't forget to check them out on Instagram, especially if you're here in Nigeria. They ship everywhere in Nigeria. I don't know if they ship outside Nigeria though, but if you're a Nigerian loving bags like me, please don't forget to check them out. So thank you so much. Please do kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, share my videos, drop comments. Oh, I don't know, I love the bags. I don't know about you. All right, thank you so much. Bye.